Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have a 2017 Jaguar XE. On this XE, or basically on your Jaguars newer, we have this key fob and our battery is dead in the key fob, so we're not able to unlock the doors. We can do it manually, but we can't do it with the key fob. So we're going to go over how you would change your battery. So you see this, the silver portion here, or chrome color. At that we just need to slide a little bit to the top, then we can pull that out. And then this is your manual key, but you'll take your manual key and there's a hole right here that you can enter it and then just twist it, and then that way it pops the whole cover apart. Then once it's apart, then you can slide out the battery and get a new one. That one is a CR 2032. So we've got a new one to put in and replace. And you just slide it in with the button top down and the words or the letters on the back side. And then you'll just take your cover piece here, line it up the right direction. And we snap that together, and then you'll just go ahead and put your manual key back in, take your cover and slide that to lock it back on, and then you can double check by hitting the buttons that the key fob works for your vehicle. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.